So this is the ultrasonic gas flow sensor for hydrogen and mixes of hydrogen, nitrogen and water vapor. And this is how we mount it and how we use it. So we will check on the sensor which is the flow direction, and then we will mount it. We have G3/4 thread. We will use a gasket. And we will connect it. For testing purposes and lower pressures, no sealant is needed, but for higher pressure we recommend also using some sealant on the threads for better sealing. Okay, and when we screw the threads on it, we hold from the lower part on the stainless steel part, and then with the key we tighten it. So on the testing bench we have also reference, and we have one bottle of hydrogen and one bottle of nitrogen, and this is how we connect it electrically. So we have 6 wires. 2 of them are for power supply, 2 of them are for Modbus, and 2 of them are for CAN bus. So we connect the power supply, and then connect the Modbus, and then we turn on the power supply. The Modbus is connected to the PC, and then we will connect it in our GUI. Now it's connected, and here we already measure flow. On the GUI we have the values we measure. So if we go on data, we have flow, converted mass flow in standard liters per minute, temperature, pressure, humidity, vapor pressure, mass flow, density, sound of speed, and mix ratio 1, mix ratio 2, mix ratio 3, which means mix ratio 1 is hydrogen percentage, mix ratio 2 is nitrogen percentage, and mix ratio 3 is water vapor percentage. And now we will insert nitrogen. So now if we change on the GUI on the chart, so we see how the flow increase. Now I will increase a little more. If we check the mixing ratio, now we have 0% hydrogen, 99.82% nitrogen, and 0.17% water vapor. Now I will increase a little bit the flow of nitrogen, and I will insert also hydrogen. So now we have 60% hydrogen and 40% nitrogen. I will increase a little more. 81%, almost 82 with 80. And now I will let just the hydrogen. So now we have 99.99% hydrogen and 0.04% of water vapor. And here is how the flow changes. And if we go on data, we see also all the measurement, also the converted mass flow in standard liters per minute. And now I will turn on hydrogen and turn on again nitrogen. And it will change. Now we have 99% nitrogen, 0% hydrogen.